All of this video was taken on a boat at the base of Mount Kilauea Volcano on the Big Island of Hawaii. I'm not going to talk too much because I want you to just hear the ambient sound. Watch for the blast at the end of this clip, however. Whoa, there it was. Did you see that? That was crazy.
Right there on the edge. Oh, he just threw a hot splatter.
Do you see that hot rock right there just beyond the motor of the boat? That was thrown from the volcano into the water very near the boat.
When you see it in this cloud, it looks like hot blast pouring in. Yeah.
Driven over and done this.
Oh, it's just like pouring out like a faucet right there.
I know. Well, it's flowing. All these rocks are.
Oh, look. Oh, there you go. Look how it's pouring out.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah.
It's making your island bigger. Oh, that just blew. Look at that go. Wish I could see this.
If you look closely, you can see the blasts that throw rock. They explode, and see that? Throw rock right into the water near the boat. All of that sound that you hear is not the wind in the microphone, it's the sound the volcano is making.
Pretty cool, huh?